about calcarea and about arsenic. Okay, so calcarea, if you are going to find out about the literature, you will find really short literature on this remedy. But if you need to understand the prescription, how to prescribe calcarea ars, if you don't understand, is it calcarea or is it arsenic? You come to a point where both the remedies are going to be seen at one thing. Okay, means you will find some things about your calcarea. You will find something that like laziness, that fattiness, that chubbiness, that the characteristics of calcarea, that slowness in the things. You will get all these things and antisoric as calcarea. If you know about calcarea car, it is antisoric remedy. If you find out about such things with anxiety of arsenic, with perfectionist as arsenic, you can prescribe calcarea ars over there. So if you need to understand this remedy, you have to understand both the remedies are coming together. Okay, so it is arsenite of lime or calcarea arsenica. It is called as calcarea arsenica. So we will move further. Epilepsy with rush of blood on the head before attack. Okay, whenever epilepsy is going to occur, whenever there is epileptic attack, at that time there is rush of blood to the head, and patient understand that rush of blood to the head, and just after that you are going to get attack of epilepsy. Okay, so if you need to understand this remedy, you have to understand this basic pathological things. Okay, aura felt in a heart region. Aura, if you understand epilepsy, there are basic aura is a primary stage or is a first stage of your epilepsy. Okay, when such things occur, when when such things are going to get occur, when you need to understand first of all epilepsy before that. When such things occur, when epilepsy occur, first aura come, then some twitching of muscles occurs, and then proper epileptic attacks come up in the picture. Okay, so this aura is placed in the heart region and with the flying sensation, epilepsy with rush of blood towards the head before an attack. So flying sensation, I wanted to tell you about a case regarding flying sensation. I have seen that case in Rajan Shankaran's lectures. Okay, so he told us about that flying sensation. A lady literally said that he wanted to fly. Okay, and when such things are going, when such things are has been seen, when such things are there, he said that he wanted to prescribe eagle remedy. Yes, we have various remedy, almost 3500 remedy has been proven in homeopathy. We just learn about 300 remedies, max to max 300 remedies. Okay, not more than that. So such flying sensation, on that basis he decided to prescribe this eagle remedy. Then complaints in fat women around climatery. So whenever complaints about fat woman or complaints about climacteric ages, means complaint at the menopausal ages, when such things are going to be seen, at that time, anytime any fat woman or any woman which is any climacteric time, any if you can say menopausal age group in a woman, if lady is fat and then complaints are going to come up, you can think about calcarea as, if the things are again concomitant with the anxiety of arsenic. Okay, for chronic complaints of this climacteric age group, you can think about lacasis, you can think about sepia. These are the remedies for these women. Okay, but if the lady is really fat, you can think about this remedy. Chronic malaria, this remedy is again indicated in chronic malaria. Infantile enlarged liver and spleen. Okay, infantile enlarged liver and spleen, what it means, there is in the infants there is enlarged liver and enlarged spleen. Okay, hepatomegaly and splenomegaly you are going to get in infants. Nephritis with great sensitiveness in a kidney region. Nephritis, nephrons, there is inflammation of nephrons with a great sensitiveness. It can be a glomerulonephritis, okay, with a great sensitiveness. There is lot of sensitiveness. You will really understand the kidney region. Patient will really understand the kidney region. There is sensitiveness, there is pain in the kidney region, and all these things come up, okay. Complaints of drunkards after abasting, okay. Awakening and carbon self, where you can use also carbon self. When such things are going to be occur, you have to think about these things, okay. When I said this pathology is really important, this okay. These things, whenever you need to understand this drunkards complaints, okay. Hello, hello,
Yes, ma'am.
are you audible?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके ओके, समझ में आ रहा है ना आप लोगों को?
हाँ मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever you need to
थोड़ा
understand this remedy, whenever you need to understand this pathology, basically, as I told you, you have to understand both the way, okay? As a calcarea and as your this arsenic. But whenever you need to understand the remedy, sometime what happen, both the elements get together and they give us something else than both of these components. It means directly that natrum mur, for example, natrum mur is there, this calcarea ars is there, or other remedies you can understand, where sanicula aqua like remedy, where all the components come together, okay. But the pathology or the symptoms which are developed during the proving, they are really very different, okay. So try to understand this pathology first, uh, and then understand both the way, okay, according to arsenic and according to calcarea also. So this is complaints of drunkards after abasting means after doing something enjoyable or something, after enjoying the things, he feel that he get those complaints, okay. You can use over carbon self. uh, Fleshy woman at climateric, slightest emotion causing palpitations. Here, palpitations are really important part of this people. Okay, palpitations or heart flying or aura felt in heart region. These complaints are seen at these people. Okay, there is dyspnea with feeble heart. Heart is really feeble, or dyspnea. These patients are really breathless. Okay, they can feel that breathlessness. There is albuminuria, as we have seen. Nephritis is there in the picture. Albuminuria is come up in the picture with the dropsy. Edematous conditions you are going to get. Affection of spleen and mesenteric glands. Hemoglobin and red corpuscles are low. Okay, so affections of spleen and mesenteric gland. Mesenteric glands are enlarged and spleen has been enlarged. There is splenomegaly, there is hepatomegaly. Mesenteric glands has been enlarged, and hemoglobin is really down with red corpuscular cell uh, are low. Okay, we'll move further. Mind, there is anger, anxiety, desire for company, confusion, delusion, illusion, and get great depression. Okay, so there is anger, they are really very angry. There is anxiety, just like your arsenic. The desire for company. There is confusion, delusion, illusion, depression, just like your calcarea. Okay, head, there is violent rush of blood on the head with vertigo. This remedy is really important remedy for this. Head complaints and epileptic complaints. Basically, two three things are really very important: that head complaint, that your urinary complaints, epilepsy. This is really important thing. There is there is violent rush of blood to the head with vertigo. There is lot of vertigo like sensation, and there is violent sudden rush of blood towards the head. Pain in head better by lying down on painful side. So painful side, there is, if patient is going to lie on painful side, this is, that is going to be better, okay. And when such things are going to be seen, when such things are going to seen, uh, uh, at that time, there is pressure which is created on the head when patient is lying on painful side, it will relieve that headache. So it can be better by pressure. Okay, weekly headache, there is a periodicity in the head, there is weekly headache. Okay, benumbing headache mostly around the ears. Okay, around the ears, so there is numb sensation. Okay, as if you cannot sense anything around the ear, and such type of headache you are going to get in this remedy. Stomach, the region of stomach is distended, there is tympanic abdomen, distended stomach due to your hepatomegaly and splenomegaly, enlarged liver and spleen in the children, pancreatic disease, relieved burning in a cancer of pancreas. In a cancer of pancreas, there is burning in a abdominal region. Okay, and it can be relieved with this remedy. Bleaching with saliva and beating of heart. Okay, there is bleaching with saliva and beating of heart. Urinary complaints, kidney region are sensitive to pressure. Albuminuria, passes urine every hour. These people can pass urine at every hour. Heart, there is constriction and pain in the region of heart, suffocating feeling, palpitations, operations, throbbing, and pain in the back extending to arm. There is constriction in the region of heart and suffocating feeling. Okay, there is breathlessness, continuous breathlessness is there, and operations and throbbing pain in the back extending to arms. It started with the back and it extends towards the arm. There is throbbing and pain, a lot of pain in the arms. Basically, as we have seen in first slide only, kidney region is really very sensitive to pressure, albuminuria, and passes urine at every hour. And this periodicity is really important. Female offensive bloody leukorrhea, cancer of uterus, burning pain in uterus and vagina. This is again important thing. Now, we'll move towards the next slide. Back pain in the pain and stiffness in the nape of neck. Okay, this is most important part over where I had think about this remedy. Yeah? That pain and stiffness in the nape of neck. Okay, there is a lot of pain and stiffness in the nape of neck where cervical spondylosis, case of a cervical spondylitis, I'd use this remedy. There is violent backache, throbbing drives out of the bed. Okay, throbbing pain, violent backache, extremities, removes inflammatory products in the veins of lower extremities, weariness and lameness of a lower limb. There is lot of pain and a lot of weakness, a lot of as if patient feel lazy. Okay, such type of feeling is there in a lower limbs. Modalities, you can this get worse from a slightest exertion. Okay, so this is all about this remedy. I think we can again now revise this remedy once again. Will This is really very short remedy. Yeah? I was thinking that I can take two remedies together, but I thought it can be confusing when you are going to listening that those lectures. It can be a confusing thing for you. So we will take short remedies and we will take a single remedy in a single lecture. Okay, so again we are going to revise this remedy. Yes, Vijay, any problem?
नाही मॅम, एकच घ्या.
हो हो, एकच घेते. Okay, so we are going to revise this remedy again. There is epilepsy with rush of blood towards the head before an attack. Whenever attack is going to come up of the epilepsy, there is feeling of rush of blood towards the head, aura felt in a region of heart. There is flying sensation, complaints in fat women around climacteric ages. As I told you, at menopausal age group where the ladies are really fat, it can be because of thyroid or it can be just direct obesity, central obesity. In those people, in such people, uh, you are going to get this you can use this remedy basically. Okay, again this remedy is really important remedy for your chronic malaria. Infantile enlarged liver and spleen, there is infantile splenomegaly and hepatomegaly. Okay, nephritis with great sensitiveness in a kidney region. There is nephritis with sensitiveness in a kidney region, so this patient really need to go to pass urine, they need to go for a urination uh, within an hour. Okay, uh, And then complaints of drunkards after abstaining. Means after enjoying the things, there are complaints. You can again use carbon self over there. Fleshy woman at the climacteric age, slightest emotion causing palpitations. A slight emotions can lead to palpitations. Uh, this is most important symptom at your climacteric age group. Okay, there can be in climacteric age group there can be a lot many symptoms like hair loss, like mood swings, like these palpitations, hot flushes. But palpitations can really lead to a lot many complaints. Okay, there is dyspnea with feeble heart. Heart is feeble, but patient is really breathless. Chilliness, albuminuria. Albumin is passed with the urine. Proteinuria, basically. Dropsy means edematous condition you are going to get in this remedy. Affection of spleen and mesenteric gland. Hemoglobin and red corpuscles are low. Okay, we'll move further. Mind, anger and anxiety, desire for company, confusion, delusion, illusion, great depression. Okay, anger and anxiety is there, desire for company, they really want company. There is confusion, delusion, illusion, and great depressions. Head, violent rush of blood towards the head with vertigo. Pain in head better by lying on painful side. By lying on painful side, this leads to a lot of by lying on painful side. This leads to giving pressure on painful side, which leads to a better feeling. Okay, there is weekly headache, periodical headache you are going to get in this remedy. Benumbing headache mostly around the ears. Okay, this patient really feel a numbness around the ear. Stomach, region of stomach is distended. Tympanic abdomen you can get over here. Enlarged liver and spleen in a children. Pancreatic diseases, relief
Teacher,
burning pain in cancer of pancreas. Bleaching with saliva and beating of heart. Okay, there is beating of heart with bleaching of saliva. Bleaching with saliva. Uh, Irritations like things can be seen in the picture. Urinary complaints, kidney region is sensitive to pressure, albuminuria, passes urine in every hour. Heart complaints, constrictions and pain in the region of heart, suffocating feeling, palpitations, operations and throbbing pain in the back and extending to arm. Female offensive bloody leukorrhea, there is bloody and offensive leukorrhea. Cancer of uterus, burning pain in the uterus and vagina. Okay, we'll move further. Back pain and stiffness near the nape of neck. Okay, at nape of neck you will get that pain and stiffness. Violent backache, throbbing, drives out of the bed. This patient really wanted to go out of the bed because of that throbbing and that backache. Extremities, remove inflammation products in vein of lower extremities. Okay, you can use this remedy in your varicose vein. Okay, but I have not used in this remedy. Weariness and lameness of lower limb. As I told you, there is feeling of laziness and there is feeling of pain and weakness, and really you don't want to do anything. Such and continuous feeling that there is no strength. Okay, such feeling is there in a lower limbs or lower extremities. Modalities is get worse from slightest exertion, just like your bryonia. Slight exertion will lead to lot of complaints. Okay, again I wanted to talk you about it doses. You can use this remedy in a third trituration, means 3x or 6x, but I had used this remedy in 30 or 200c. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture. If anyone has any query regarding this lecture, you can again let me know. Okay, so I will stop it over here.
मीन्स एल्यूजन मतलब
Yes, yes, someone asked about something.
इल्यूजन मतलब इल्यूजन
Illusion. Okay. uh, illusion is basically wrong misinterpreted perception or sensory experience. Means patient won't understand what is that. For example, something stick like thing is in front of you, and patient will think that that is not a stick, that is a snake. Okay, so that is illusion. Got it? Hallucinations means there is nothing in front of him, and he will feel that there is something. Okay, there is something, there is someone coming behind me and no one is behind him. Okay, so such is hallucination, and illusion means wrong perception. Patient cannot understand, or patient misinterpret the things. Understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anything else?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay, I will end it over here.
आभारी मैम.